What a surprise to be hiking the heights of the Daniel Boone National Forest and to find a bog, a suspended bog on the top of a mesa-like plateau above cliffs of sandstone. Here's what it looks like. What a unique ecosystem. Let's walk around it. Moss on the peripheries. What a unique ecosystem here, surviving all by itself, all alone. And for how long? Sphagnum moss. I sink in as I walk around. I've got to say, that's way groovy. More than a little bit nifty. Pretty wonderful. See you next time in Reggie's Realm.